sa'yo as a business, relationships, then you focus more on Facebook.
Should they focus on content or just do paid ads? Parang people are doing, I'll just make a lot of content so that I get noticed, or just pay the ad.
If you're new, focus on paid ads. You can buy your way into the game. But if you've been there a while, you have a lot of followers, kilala na yung brand mo, just focus on content because people will naturally come to you. But how many people will see your content, your Facebook page's content is very small. It's like around 1%, maybe even less than 1% ng likers mo will see your Facebook page's content whenever you publish content there. Kasi yung algorithm ni Facebook, mas focus sila on showing posts by friends and family and ads because the ads pay. So whoever can afford to buy Facebook ads, unfortunately, yan ang mas ipapakita ni Facebook. But again, if your branding is huge already, my suggestion, focus on content because if you can tap into the virality of other people sharing your stuff, then you get free clicks, you get free views, free engagement.
This is Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader and investor, and I love YouTube because it allows me to share my thoughts, my ideas when it comes to stock trading and investing, because I really believe the stock market is one of the greatest ways for Filipinos to let their money grow. That if you put your money in time deposits, guess what? It really won't go down, but it really also won't go up, and you'll just be beaten by inflation. And the goal of videos like this is to educate you so that you can win and you can trade the markets with confidence. Before we proceed to the next video, would super appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, and comment so you get to be part of this video and you get to see more videos to come in the future. And smash that bell, guys, so that you get updated every time contents like this will come out. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If I'm an entrepreneur, what do you think, what sector, what industry, what companies should people start? What do you think will do well this year?
Well, I'm in the tech industry and I can only speak for myself. So I think tech and digital, I'm in the digital marketing industry. I think it has shown me na ngayon pa lang, a lot of companies are investing na with their digital marketing because I've closed a couple of deals na.
So when you say digital, these are social media, so
marketing,
there's more people already pumping in money there. So ano yan? Is there more money, or budgets are shifting from traditional to digital?
We made deals last year. Sinabi nila sa amin na kasi yung traditional namin or yung billboard or yung TV ads namin is not that effective na. How we wanna tap the millennials generation na. We wanna tap the next generation, yung mga digital natives natin. Yan ang gusto namin targetin ngayon. We're investing in them. So we're shifting the budget. So
the problem kasi with billboard is you don't know if it converts it. You don't know how many people actually see it, if they're actually male, female, or the ones actually looking at it. And this is what I believe in. Before, billboards were amazing. Ngayon,
yes.
If you're stuck in traffic, you're not looking at the billboard, you're looking at your phone.
Yes.
You're looking at your phone.
By the way, don't do that.
I mean, if you're a passenger,
if you're a passenger, but if you're a driver, don't do that.
You're stuck in the bus. You're playing probably
Correct.
Candy Crush, di ba? And you're looking at the ads of Candy Crush more than may ads may Candy Crush.
Hindi ko alam, pero Candy Crush parang matagal na.
Ayun, old school now, guys. I don't play games. But I see my mother-in-law kasi play Candy Crush. So yun lang yung naalala ko games. But case in point, people are more in their phones now. It's the phones and your iPad are the ones grabbing all of the attention. Yes. So, eto pa. If you're starting the business, where should you focus on? Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Among those three platforms, or how do you differentiate the difference on where should they focus on?
Okay, for a lot of businesses, they also ask me na should we go social media or website. Usually yan dalawa yung pinaglalaban eh. Bihira naman yung Instagram, Facebook or
talaga?
Bihira lang yun. Usually ang tanong nila website ba or social media, which pag sinabi lang social media, dalawa lang yan. Facebook or Instagram. Bihira lang si YouTube kasi usually may video production cost pa yun, gumastos. So, Facebook and Instagram, here's the difference. With Facebook and Instagram, when you open Facebook and Instagram, what is usually your purpose? The number one purpose is to kill time. Wala tayong magawa, gusto natin magubos oras. So, if your business is investing in Facebook and Instagram,
Patay, ang daming nagpapatay ng oras sa Facebook.
maraming tao may oras dito sa Pilipinas. 90% of Filipinos use Facebook. 90%. So, sorry, 90% of those with internet access use Facebook. So, if they're killing time dahil wala silang magawa kaya sila nasa Facebook, Instagram, ano ibig sabihin nun pag nandun yung business mo sa Facebook and Instagram? It's effective for businesses who are selling novel items, meaning brand new in the market, hindi pa masyado marami yung knowledge about it, no? Walang maraming nagbebenta nun, hindi masyado sikat, yan, pwede mong i-run sa Facebook, pwede mong i-run sa Instagram yan, doon ka mag-run ng ads. Or fashion, pwede yan. Commodity na sobrang common, tapos may konting variety like clothes, shoes, yan, effective yan sa social media. But for high-value sales like cars, B2B services like flooring, like let's say my services is digital marketing and SEO, high-value kami, mahal. And not a lot of people are looking for it. Especially not on Facebook and Instagram. Wala maghahanap ng SEO dyan, wala maghahanap ng flooring na chemicals dyan, wala maghahanap ng kotse dyan, no? They may be seeing the ad, but they're not gonna buy because the ad will show maybe in a time, most probably in a time, na wala naman silang pondo pang bili ng kotse. Pero yung mga bibili na, unang gagawin yan, magsisearch na Google. The intention is there and they land in the website. So, depende yan sa company. Are you selling something novel, some commodity? Is it going to be effective on Facebook? Yes or no? Are you selling a high-value product, niche market, high search volume, website?
So, that's why, yung mga packed foods, yung mga healthy food, healthy items.
For delivery.
Oh, those are really good for Facebook because it's new and it's something that okay, it's something that you can see there. So,
tsaka maganda yung photos.
Okay.
Kasi, like, example, flooring. I mean, flooring yun eh. Like, glossy cement flooring or chemical. Gano'ng kaganda ba yung photo nun? Will it attract a lot of people? Food, nakakagutom eh. Pag maganda yung picture, magugutom. Gusto mo bumili, gusto mo mag-inquire. Pero flooring, pag di mo kailangan paayos yung sahig mo, hindi ka naman magkakontakt dun sa company na yun.
So, you mentioned Facebook is for killing time. Instagram, killing time also?
Killing time also.
Pero if I have, for example, this amount of budget only, what should I prioritize? Facebook or Instagram? Ako, I'm so interested about Instagram stories. For some reason, yung swipe left, swipe click, swipe, it's so interesting. I don't know, parang it's getting a lot of my attention.
For me, it depends highly on whatever you're selling. So if you're selling fashion, food, effective Instagram, and relatively cheaper. But the demographics on Instagram is younger. What does that mean? That means generally they have less spending power. So you have to be really smart about your product and service and demographics kung nandun ba talaga sila. If you're gonna spend on Facebook, they have more spending power. You have generally more market there in terms of quantity kasi 90% of Filipinos use Facebook. Instagram, not so much. Mas konti. Okay? And the purpose of Instagram is vanity. Number one yun, it's vanity. You follow people there because you want to see their photos. You want to see some nice photos. You don't want to see ugly photos. Yeah, it's for vanity. People want to see nice photos, good photos. And if we're gonna be honest, they want to see like sexy photos of food, of the person, of the family, whatever. Facebook is different. Facebook is more about connectability, connection, memories. Yeah. So, pag yun ang importante sa'yo as a business, relationships, then you focus more on Facebook.
Should they focus on content or just do paid ads? Parang people are doing, I'll just make a lot of content so that I get noticed, or just pay the ad.
If you're new, focus on paid ads. You can buy your way into the game. But if you've been there a while, you have a lot of followers, kilala na yung brand mo, just focus on content because people will naturally come to you. But how many people will see your content, your Facebook page's content is very small. It's like around 1%, maybe even less than 1% ng likers mo will see your Facebook page's content whenever you publish content there. Kasi yung algorithm ni Facebook, mas focus sila on showing posts by friends and family. And ads because the ads pay. So whoever can afford to buy Facebook ads, unfortunately, yan ang mas ipapakita ni Facebook. But again, if your branding is huge already, my suggestion, focus on content, because if you can tap into the virality of other people sharing your stuff, then you get free clicks, you get free views, free engagement.
Alright, so what this video is if you want to start a business, digital, it's not anymore the future, it's already now. I think that we're now at the point already where digital has overtaken a lot of the traditional media and businesses also. That kaso, advantage nun is it's not so hard anymore to start a business. You don't have to set up your own brick and mortar to be able to sell your, I don't know, towels, or if you want to sell your own trinkets, you don't need to beg a mall to take you in, because you just have to open your own shop. So with that, with knowing that everything can be done via social media, everything can be done digitally, final words for people who want to start something.
Tech and digital tips for you. Number one, learn as much as you can. Don't jump into the business just because ito yung ito yung making money ngayon, sinabi ni Shansi sa video nila ni Marvin. Don't just jump in because of these things. That's very shallow, and chances are you will fail. Study, study, study. Know what really takes for you to be able to, number one, create value. Because if you don't have value, people will not buy your stuff. You cannot sell anything to companies, you cannot sell anything to people. How do you create that value? By knowing more about the market, by knowing more about the product you need, by knowing more about the demand out there. So you suit your product or service to the demands, make sure it's best in class, and then you ship it out. So, invest here. There are a lot of blogs that you can read. So many blogs for social media. There's Social Media Examiner, and among a slew of others. Hootsuite has a blog. You can follow them. HubSpot has a blog for SEO. You have Moz, which is arguably the most popular blog. Subscribe to their inbound marketing news Moz Top 10. You have Conversion Excel for conversion rate optimization. These are not my blogs, but we do have our basic and advanced SEO news and advice, which is seo-hacker.com. That's my blog, and we publish stuff there about SEO and digital marketing as well. If you want to learn more, you can follow us there and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After you learn all of these things, trust me, I only started with a capital of 1,300 pesos to build this company and the other companies that I have, just because I invested here. If you can do that, God bless you. I think it's still doable. It's not too late, actually.
Yeah, it's not too late. It can be done. No, we actually need more entrepreneurs and investors. That's why we're doing this event, so that you can learn more on how you can actually know the rudiments on how you can invest and do business as well. So that's it for now. Expect more videos from this very rich guy, guys, the CEO of SEO Hacker, Shansi. So enjoy, guys. Hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Bye, everyone.
Cheers.